Students, this is question number 8. Let me write the question down. The points A of 7, 1, B of 7, 9 and C of 1, 9, they are on the circumference of a circle. Now we are asked to find the equation of the circle. This is one question. The next question is, this is question A. Question B is, find the equation of the tangent at the point B. So, having given you this question, let me solve the first part, find the equation of the circle. Now, we know that the equation of the circle is of the form x negative h the whole squared positive y negative k the whole squared is equal to r squared. This is the equation of the circle. Now, since a, b, c all lie on the circumference of the circle, we substitute these points in 1. We get, so for a of 7, 1, we make the substitution, we get 7 negative h the whole squared positive 1 negative k the whole squared is equal to r squared. So this is equation say 2, and b of 7, 9, that is 7, h the whole squared positive 9, k the whole squared is equal to r squared. Now c of 1, 9, that is 1 negative h the whole squared positive 9 negative k the whole squared is equal to r squared. This is 3, this is 4. Now we can actually solve 2 and 3, right? Both of them are equated with r. So let me go to the next side. So this is going to be 7 negative h the whole squared positive 1 negative k the whole squared is equal to 7 negative h the whole squared positive 9 negative k the whole squared. So this and this gets cancelled. You have 1 squared negative 2 times k positive k squared is equal to 9 squared negative 18k positive k squared. K squared gets cancelled. 9 squared is 81. Now let 81 be there and I bring 18k this side. You have negative 2k. Now 1 goes to the other side. So this would give me 80. This would give me 16. So k is equal to 80 over 16. 16 divides 80 5 times. 16 into 5, 33 and 80, right? So therefore k is equal to 5. So we got the value for k. Now we will solve now 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So what is 3? My 3 is 7 negative h the whole squared positive 9 negative k the whole squared is equal to 1 negative h the whole squared positive 9 negative k the whole squared. So this and this gets cancelled. So you have 14h positive h square is equal to 1 negative 2 times h positive h square. So h square gets cancelled. I can push this to the other side. So you have 14h negative 2h. That's going to be 12h. And I can push this one to the other side. So 49 minus 1. And I can rewrite this as 12h is equal to 48. So h is equal to 48 divided by 12. 12 divides 48 4 times. So therefore h is equal to 4. So we got the center of the circle. Center of the circle is what? 4, 5. So that's the important part. Now I've got the center of the circle. Now I need to get the radius. How do we get the radius? Let me show you. Now since a of 7, 1 is on the circumference, and what is the center? 4, 5 is the center. And 4, 5 is the center. So you have something like this. 4, 5 is the center. And say 7, 1 is a point A. So you need to obtain the distance formula. Right, this is what we have got. So what I will do is I will calculate the radius. So the distance between the point A and the center is equal to square root of, so this is going to be, let me write the point. So I'm going to write it like this: a of 7, 1 and the center is 4, 5. So x1 y1 x2 y2. So formula is x2 negative x1 whole squared positive y2 negative y1 the whole squared is equal to root of x2 is what? 4 negative 7 the whole squared positive y2 is what? Is 5 negative y1 is 1 the whole squared is equal to root of 4 negative 7, that's negative 3 the whole squared positive 5 negative 1, that's 4 squared. So this is root of 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, so you get root of 25, that's equal to 5. So therefore radius is 5 units. So the equation of the circle is going to be x negative, center is 4, 5, 4 the whole squared positive y negative 5 the whole squared is equal to 5 squared. So that is the equation of the circle. That is exactly what is needed. So we are done with that. But we have to get the equation of the tangent. This is part B. Find the equation of the tangent at the point B. Now what is B? B is 7, 9. Okay, so the center is 4, 5 and the point B is 7, 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the slope of BC. So let me move the next page. So let me rewrite C as 4, 5 and B is 7, 9. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. The slope of BC is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that's going to be 9 negative 5 divided by 7 negative x1 is 4. So this is 4. This is going to give me 3. So this is my slope of BC. That's 4 over 3. But we need to find the slope of the tangent. So this means the slope of the tangent would be negative 1 over 4 over 3. That's going to be 3 over 4 with a negative sign. Okay, so now the equation of the tangent at B, what is B? B is 7 comma 9, so this is x1 comma y1. So y negative y1 is equal to m times x negative x1. This is the slope of the tangent, so you need to place that. So it's going to be y negative, y1 is 9 negative 3 over 4 x negative 7. You cross multiply, you get 4 times y negative 36 is equal to negative 3x positive 21. So you push this to the other side, you get negative 3x positive 21 positive 36, which is negative 3x positive 6 and 1 7 57, and you have 4 times y, right? But you need to get the line, right? So divide by 4 both sides. We get, so what do you get? Y is equal to negative 3 over 4 times x positive 57 over 4 is the equation of the tangent, right? So that is the completion for this question. So it's a lovely question. We move on to the next one.